Hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video will show you how to make PDF using Google Docs on mobile phone. Actually, it's really easy. What you have to do, you open your Google Docs and then I will type in something like this, and then how to make it PDF on Google Docs. That's it. I hit the check, and then here I have to click this triple dot on the upper, and then I have to click to share and export. Okay, after that you click that share and export. Here there is an option of save as. I can click that save as. See, this is the option of PDF document. It's really easy, right? And then I just click PDF documents and then click OK. It will be saving the document as the PDF. Now this is the PDF. You can download it or you can share to your Google Drive instead. Okay, that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If you think this content is helpful for you, you can click thanks on down below. We will really appreciate that. Or you can just ask us about your question or you're considering. Just put on a comment below. Thank you. Bye bye.